All right, we're going to spend some time today talking about elapsed time. Elapsed time meaning how long between when something starts and ends. So in our examples today, I'll give you a start time and end time, and we're going to be calculating how much time has passed between those two. So in our first example, it's noon at our start time, and our end time is 5:47 a.m. So in this problem, the first and most important thing to figure out is what time is noon. So I'm sure many of us know that it's 12, but the important part is whether it is a.m. or p.m., and noon is, in fact, 12 p.m. Okay? Now, we're trying to get to 5:47 a.m., so in order to do that, we're actually going to start at 12 p.m. top of the clock and go all the way around to get back to 12 o'clock and make it a.m., make it midnight. So I'm going to pass one time around the clock, which is 12 hours, which will make it 12 a.m. Okay? Now we want to get up to 5 o'clock. So if I'm at the 12 at the top, I need to go 5 more hours to get to the 5 o'clock a.m. mark. And then from there, I need to add 47 more minutes. It's really important to put your units so you remember that for the end. And now I'm at my end time. So all I have to do is calculate this amount of time, how much time passed. I'll combine my hours, 12 and 5, to make 17. And I only have one set of minutes here, so those will stay as is. So the elapsed time between these two time periods is 17 hours, 47 minutes. Now, if you're not working with a time like noon or midnight where it's top of the clock, sometimes it can be a little bit more difficult. So let's take a look at this one. Our start time is 7:53 a.m. and our end time is 9:36 a.m. Okay? So in an instance like this where it's not noon or midnight, I actually like to start with the minutes and work the minutes up to where I want them. Okay? So I'm starting with 53 minutes. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to get myself up to 8 o'clock to the next even hour. So to get from 53 to 8 o'clock, remember there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, so I need to get from 53 to 60. I'm actually going to add 7 minutes, and that'll make it 8 o'clock a.m. See how I'm keeping track of my times on the side so I don't lose my place there? Now I want to get up to 36 for my minutes, so I'm going to add an additional 36 minutes, and that makes it 8:36 a.m. All right, now I don't need 8:36 a.m., I need 9:36, so I'm going to need one more hour to move from the 8 to the 9, and now I end up at my end time. So again, just like our previous problem to calculate elapsed time, you'll add together your minutes and your hours. So we only have 1 hour, that'll be nice and simple this time. And the minutes we're going to have to add together, 36 plus 7. Okay, so we end up with 1 hour, 43 minutes as our elapsed time. Okay, so again, I recommend the adding up strategy and tracking what time you're at as you add up in each process.